My name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching. Today I'm going to cover 3 ways that you can build a better RV gate than mine. Number 1, take care with your block work and make sure that it's straight and looks right and matches your fence, and buy the right tools for the job. And if you don't know how to do it, maybe hire somebody to come do it, or you could improvise like I did, and it looks okay, but you could be better by doing better block work. Number 2 is cut your boards for the facing of the gate, or basically the fencing that makes up the gate. Cut that after you've built the frames. I made the mistake of cutting it before I built the frame based on measurements and my calculation of what it should be, and ended up about a 1/2 inch short. So this gap here just doesn't look great. So that's the second big thing that's worth doing. The third thing that you can do to make your gate better than mine is to paint it off. Paint all your pieces off of the block wall. Don't put it on and then paint it off site. That way you don't get any paint overspray on your wall. And that's it. If you do those 3 things, your gate will be better than my gate. I'm not giving you permission, not that you really need. I'm a guy on the internet. Who cares what I say?